All right, drivers at the ready. Your match begins in 3, 2, 1, go. 15-second autonomous mode underway here in match number 190. 56G for the Blue Alliance just moves up and drops their cone. Turtle 3.0 not able to do anything there. 7830A in the meantime just moving around with the cone on their mobile goal. Same thing happening with 8044B, and it is a tie. So drivers, your match begins in 3, 2, 1, go. Nobody gets the advantage, so what you see here in the next 1 minute 45 is what you get. As everybody moves along now, trying to score as much as they can here with nobody getting the bonus. Here comes the scorer. 8044B puts it into the 20-point zone, but loses their cone. Geeks Jr. from Broad Run, Virginia, trying to put it in, but no dice there. 20-point zone for the Red Alliance now coming in, and that is courtesy of 7830A, the Noble Knights from Chandler, Arizona. On the side, though, their partners for the Red Alliance, the CNC Onion from Hong Kong, going one after the other off the field, looking to get as high as they can there, trying to use all of their off-field cones. Now looking to score it here. In the meantime, though, a four-cone stack over here, the Blue Alliance, that should help them out, and that achieves the highest stack for now, unless the Red Alliance has anything to say about it. There comes the team, the CNC Onion from Hong Kong. Can they land it there safe and sound? It'll wobble, but it'll stay. 40 seconds left to go here in the match. Still 8044B trying to do as much as they can. Here comes Turtle 3.0 with some of their own cones off the field, having a little bit of trouble with the rhythm here. But 30 seconds left to go. They might have to find something. 3 cones up on the stationary goal. Still 1 red mobile goal out of play. Right now, unless the Red Alliance can recover it somehow, they'll knock it back over, but not much time. 17 seconds left to go here in match number 190. A lot of cones being had for the team from Cape Elizabeth. Trying to go, oh no, tilts over. And they only have 2 cones on there for now. They got to work fast. Another one to secure the stationary goal up for the Red Alliance. 7830A, the Noble Knights from Chandler, Arizona, getting one more into the 10-point zone, and that will do it for match number